for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Enamidi, Bremo. I don't see so young subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. Dobayan say over click a subscribe button. Now, what barely a notification. We answer video for Frobia by upload when the first person I was a Ebeka a video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer so now when you be here now, and someone else Ghana Memohan. I feel you share a reporter Abeto Yaposo. Yeti a year some Kumoya Kosus has me yenti. A year Okujato Rezi should be. We had the document by a refuse release. Too many things. I was on break. I think the end there Okujato Blakwa Rezi issue be now a year boy bina we using hono. The rose done is a Jimmy Bino. It was about a year. Drip machines, you know. Mrs. Push them for me. I think it's in the system. Mrs. Find them and just send me the list and the prices. I just want to show them. And Okujato Ablakwa Rezi should be. He wanted to show documents. So I'm going to say, own to share documents. We have the documents long time. I've had the documents over a year. Also, me will not be brave. It do some time. I be back. Now me team so this one. Let's show it to them because Ghana. Around it, me blow duomo. Around me blow duomo. Munyabutre. Enti Ablakwa Rezi issue be asefua sa boy Jimmy da wo yusu no hono kumase boy bi no aha Jimmy okasa by heart na no nsuo onam krom MP Roses and nsase ponko o Jimmy na cheso e Kristo ni wo didi nkofo yire chi wo fi akofa Roses asesra wonsa o yin say yebeku an na be stop o Jimmy ma wadwene mu nte na bobra pa Jimmy Roses a wonsa ndu e Kristo din mo na mo Jimmy mu ho abeduru ha ye na be so so Ghana ntra now Ablakwa Rezi should be about drip machines. Besides, if you can send them to me right now, I will talk about it. Okay, you have the video, right? Okay, if you have the video, then let me play the video. Now, mutie video we are now made the documents natural money documents Dawson. Drip machines issue no. Mamon chamo justification be anam person de ma but drip machine now de buy before election no. Some machines no omuntua tax ba akumpo so. Video ni I think the documents will come right now. Maybe Mama Bev, muntie video way.
$84 billion, as you said, that he is saying it is 18 billion cedis and the drip.
18.
Yes.
The follow-up stems from the fact that, one, he indicates that the pricing, in his own words, was outrageous. And it was inflated. And he has done some work. And because of that, in his estimation, the pricing was indeed outrageous. Now, he said he has done some work, and I have also done some work, and I'm happy to share that with you. Honorable nominee, in my hands here is the contract itself, and maybe I'll go into specifics. Government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. So if you say it was outrageous, inflated, now the big question is, what is the market value for such an amount? Now I will take you to Zonda. Zonda is one of the well-noted agencies who
Honorable
sells
Asafwa.
tipper trucks.
Honorable Asafwa, with all due respect,
My question
he said he has done some work,
and he said it's
and you have done some work.
Yes.
Now, the amount being outrageous was based on the assessment of the work that he has done, but not your own. So the way you are going about the question, that is what is calling for worry.
Honorable
because
Chairman.
the work that you have done is not the same as the work that he has done.
Honorable Chairman.
Your indicators may not be the same as his indicators.
Respectfully, I am saying that in the contract, government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. I am also referring the honorable nominee to Zonda, an agency that deals in tipper truck. When you go to Zonda today, Zonda sells a tipper truck for about $82,000 or $83,000. And government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. With this background, how do you term this as outrageously inflated contract? Because I don't see it.
Well, I don't know whether Zonda is the cheapest in the world, but I would ask the nominee to provide the question.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, clearly my good friend, the Honorable Asefwa, has to do more work. As for this work he has done, with all due respect, it leaves much to be desired. For Zonda's trucks, they pay duties. You imported your trucks free of duties. I did an RTI request, and I asked the DACF administrator, did you pay duties on the trucks? They said no. Zonda is importing their trucks, paying duties. So of course, you are not. I keep talking about comparing apples with pepper, and it has to stop. Then when you talk about we bought tipper truck, there are many types of tipper truck. What kind of model? Which year? What are the specs? So, Mr. Chairman, with all due respect, the oversimplification of matters it's not helpful. And I am willing and ready to submit the work that we did. I say procurement breaches, no value for money, inflationary pricing, and it's a fact. I'm so convinced that Ghana could have saved 100 million.
The question is simple. Zonda machines, did we buy it from Zonda? So drip machines normally buy your taxes or port. As if Huawei is guilty, about 20 of the machines there and he is so obsessed with a drip machines. My document about could be me and I'm ready. My team just told me some information. These are some of the documents. Sanyo mama de port tax back. These are the things they brought. Sanyo mawi, my kind document in it. Where you see the date on it, and I will share from Ministry of Finance. We refer letter number SCR blah 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 dated 31st May 2024 from dash of the president of the above mentioned subject. Now, 2. The application is in respect of a request for exemption from the payment of custom duties and custom taxes on the following earth moving equipment procured from Mazar JA Plant Pool, Ghana Limited, for official use. In the Finance Minister na chirokoma eye custom for say sa nyoma we yomode ba company we are friend JA Plant ede ba no sa nyoma na ye de ba no mama muntua duties because aban somebody be ye aban adwuma bi unim nyoma no we na ye ka ho asem na asefo na te wona obusa question because omo no bo Torkornoo we. This was right before elections. Now okay nyoma ben no de ba ya omo ntua taxes na ablakwa ka na omo beso because these are the documents. I had this document like 3 months ago. Intuition your mom buy now 26 units of ZL50CN wheel loader. Mr. S, Mr. P, we had the pictures, right? 50 units of GLG77A backhoe loader. 20 units of GLG B230 crawler dozer. 50 units of Uhuna Ariabo. Unima Ariabo. A black documents are not compulsory. They did not pay taxes on any of this. Ministry of Finance, they release a letter. Ekoma custom for some momunje tax biya. Unim, how much you are talking about here? Kwasi abo any to work say we buy from Zonda and it is $70,000. Abua. Mr. P, where are the pictures? Na me fan chiro mo na me magana fo hu. The contract, company will know. You paid only 20% of the contract. How come you bring all these things in and you just clear all the taxes off? We are talking about 80 units tipper truck, 80 tipper trucks to your taxes. And then I say, what to this cano? 28 water sprinklers, 28 Mr. P, get me the pictures again. Me the pictures which say, hey, na nyoma we no to be 50, 80, $1, 1 cent. As a for you say, and the Zonda machine, yanto machine be a free Zonda. Thank you, Mr. S. what, Mr. Let me tell you something. Fanchechemo. Na mono your bot dina na montiasie. Bebe chemo. Mo bi ankoda. Mame chemo nyoma na. Omo kase ai ena omo ntua tax ba kokora wo so. Ministry of Finance ena ka chom se mo bi anje tax. Mo fambra me chemo. Kwasiafo mo tete Ghana Afenyo Markins jibijimi. Ki kan kwasiasem. Mr. Thank you, Mr. P. Thank you. 9 units of trailers, 9 units of tractor heads, 700 units of concrete mixers. 700 units of concrete mixers. My main for pictures in Chamo. What's your phone number? So. As if we say we buy from Zonda. Did you buy these things from Zonda? Or dying? My main child make sure pictures. No, send a bell. Say, hey, when kwa me ba. Because Kevin there, as some American, maybe I'm a boy, maybe I'm a child there. Thank you, team. Thank you very much. This is the first one. My memfa sa document went to her. More pensem. Mumba to me carrying some ekuta. These are the things I'm going to we. Thank you. I have the names here. I think it can guide me. What's your for? More than 700 units. Yeah, I've seen it. The first one is this is the sprinkler. Mechiramo. Wait. Omo de send buy. Mami enlarge me die. Kwasi afo. Mechiramo. Sprinkler send omo de buy. 28. No taxes cars we. 28. Aboatwe. Why we nim kokko se abewotwe nkwan e de rose ato nsa ototum abetra be kan kwasi asem when you buy from Zonda it is $70,000. E wi tisa wo. You are scared to go to jail. Free. This is a sprinkler. Mr. P. Me church mu nyina mu. Okay. Okay, now I okay. So me the sprinkler na chira mu 28 of these ones. Omo de buy right before elections omo ntua 1 cent, $1. Yanko edi me church pictures no. And then eba mo ate de ye na se. Mama chama second one no. This is the second one. Ariabo. Besides, which one is this one, Mr. P? This one is the. Is this the backload? Where from backload, Nana? Mr. P. Aha, this one is the 110 unit. 110. Wait, 110. Almost 110 units of rollers in the Ariabo. 110. Your taxes. Thank you very much, team. Mr. P, thank you very much. I'm seeing it now. This is a roller. And then Omokan was as if I say, they did not pay tax on even one. You said by government, 110 of Ariabo. You mubako kra. Unibako. What's your for? Foolish boy, but now say, and a black one cannot create. Or the other way, MPP for the other way, no taxes. 110. The next one is this one. Where they also be anim and yes. Where 50 motor grader 50 taxes back also. Finance Minister ne letter in here or say the customs should not take any taxes. Free. MPP nkwasi afo we me metena ha say MPP mbra power 42 years and kwana afa ne ye adwene ho saade we 50 units of motor grader 50 units omontua tax back kra ho and then the multi parliament say if we bought for they didn't buy from Zonda. This is cut. My mention, the one less than so no. I feel say, hey, into Sanya when you know Roma, you into taxes, yeah. MPP no more. There's the next one. I see a 41 a black one kind of create a Jimmy 4. You see this one? Ha, when your friend. Thank you, Mr. P. This one is the one they call 20 unit doses. Doses 20. Am I right? No, besides that's not it. We're 50 unit backhoe holder. Weigh 50 omontua tax back across backhoe loader we 50 and our paper no so no almost be board chan kwasi afo mombra meka say eboa 50 they did not pay a dime omo de wuram omo be chedi omo de be campaign hey omo boa kwasi afo e omo nya no te parliament ye dede ye diase some dun so gu omo so na mo pam omo ewifo mama nkyira ma de foforo me kyira mo saa de no musabusa black or say na black ka say mo over $100 million saskini na se we no de $100 million ko $1 am for your pot $1 mama nkyira the next one in gain and before moi you see this one we your friend no they be say my exact name no this one is called tipper track the 80 yentua 1 city also 80 ba ku mienu miensa enum ensia endu on day track 4 5 6 9 10 12 13 14 17 18 19 20 23 24 French musa 80 omontua 1 cent finance ministry se mamonje kapre eno mu twifam kwasia betena vetting committee say when you buy from zonda abuofunu zonda na yeto we zonda tipper truck car we nko 50-80 omontua kapre Bawumia nim hubi omo diska no nchechede ma and then go for we have omo moral right to come and vet anytime make Ghana for say we bomo jimi o let's not pay attention to them so now we Ghana ni na so ka do support MPP we jimi mama show another one let's train na me de chiro no Mr. P thank you. The next one is this. This one is called wait, I'm gonna send it by. Let me show you the number they brought. Besides this one, wait, I'm gonna your friend no doses. I'm gonna 20 into 1 city. 20 of these machines. I'm gonna 1 city. 20 of these machines, they didn't pay 1 cedi. Finance ministry from Akufo Addo say mo munje kapre omu yimfem. Na sa na etchere man. Kwasiafo be koda no ho aba 4 years be ka kire say ai ye ntuma omu biem. Uni bi ombe ye. Ha? Na wo nyan kwasiafo bi tete TikTok. Ye de ye ntia sese ye lose ye enwan ma. Kwasiasam wo papa kuro. Ghana yo papa store anka kwasiasam ka ma sa de we yesi. Because I am Kwasia tribal party in Yanka bi negumunti ye Jimmy yansoso. Mama nchira obaako na aka no we na no mubusa ablakwa say hey ye tono zonda bibie ni we zonda wa ha ablakwa so be 100 million it is true. Nyama me church odi baako bo. Mama nchira the next one. Dying. The next one in here. We Mr. P. Wait, trailers. Almost the 9. Trailers 9 we Ghana. Almost 1 city. Trailers we almost the 9. Almost the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Almost the room. Finance minister say mamunjiska. Now, no money na unim dia me yapa wom. Wait. Hey. Me bawo, binye wie. Hey, say Dawson. There's one here. And kwa na me yano. Wait, sa ade we concrete mixer no ade na ye de mix concrete no concrete mixer no omo the concrete mixer kwa 700 wait 700 pieces omo ntua 1 city finance minister sama me nje kapre wasiafo Omudi 700 pieces of this by Ghana. And our document in this, 700 pieces. Omuntia a cent. Ma mention another one cry as I bukrampo fumono. You see this? Wait. Unim do the buy. tractor heads car we etre we the 9 the nyina femu 1 cent omuntua 1 cedi. 9 of these tira na black wa catch say when him say ade amaye no mabokro no asefua no onimo anything oto a he's so obsessed with drip machines ka drip no de drip ne behind the scenes ni but the document na kire omo mumu say okuja to black wa say de kuta me ne de kuta the difference be anim me were too many documents and anytime I just say MPP na nkasa no me ni omo ndili wo 20 omo 4 omo 8 years me wie o me wie no 2028 na 2028 must start a year NDC 2028 from now on to 2028 no a year MPP 2020 to 2024 ho adwuma na me ye it dey bia no carry forward it mama rem fi say ye start 2024 adwuma bia because ye wie 2020 to 2024 mean to me ye 2024 to 2028 and yes na me ethics no metiase adwuma no metiase. I understand the job. Anything I make actual say me we 2020 to 2024 I cannot do 2024 to 2028 because there's backlog and me person be because me dealing with scandal last me kan so person me express scandal mouth now yeah Ghana ni MPP ni $25,000 that's all 930 only $25,000 back make jai backlog no back na my year would na shemu but for now no I am doing from 2020 to 2024 me we then I'm 2020 to 2024 2024 to 2028 then I'm yesa sane ye bobra sane ye journalism ye clear backlog no it may start 2024 to 2028 in 2028 to 2032 do you get me Mr. Nkrumah? Right now some guy be texting me say okoye pool ma Afenyo Markins one of his houses in Accra when tuya pool nika unimu nsuo dware Jimmy osoro na ye pool omo mu constructive pool kura untua when you sika sisi dan won kan ebegina ba ye de kronfo o ka kire futufuo say o ba besi West Africa ECOWAS parliament waji assassin 99 years enye beyibon sam na wo ya 99 years o de den ko futu kohwe ohia and I'm going to open the phone lines for futufuo me frɛ mo amu futu mo frɛ Afenyo Markins nwura odi ahemfo mo ho we are going to charge and ask you questions obia fa nsanka obia ba amafo be ma answers ahema ebusuan pedifo mo amu ho enkrata ne ba wa wonsa sha se bia ne tutaba kotena Togo mo amu ne mo nsa sha krata ase e de mo kokroboti kosi se Afenyo Markins mfa futu asase 99 years no mo ntu kuro nim because mmeburu ne pasase ayekua kuro mu nyabi the young people of Efutu omo pe asase aye farming kuro mu nyabi akwa wedi ni jimi aja asase 99 years no te ho ena ono betwa motoro se obesi ECOWAS okachiro mnyama mienu oso obesi ECOWAS parliament any airport ena oso omo fa asase ni nyina ama no 99 years e woni madimu young men omo wa adwene person mo into farming serious farming omo nya asase my small boy be go for 1 acre you be jailing 20 years my small boy be go for 1 plot you be jailing we futu 20 years akwa we agi asase 99 years when tia kapre ahemfo okronim penifo okronim 99 years aden my small boy be go ka say o pass asase yefo so hwensem meka kire small boy no and akwa we ejimi eye efutufo ni bi intenda Afenyo Markins na ovete okuja to ablakwa na nsam kekani mu an kopie se eye Afenyo Markins ekobusa questions bia na efa ansase ho ana okuja to ablakwa ka chense Afenyo wokura wotiwo ya wo ye dedei efutufo asase eda ho no waji asase muntam yakase bibi ye muntama edese wo wanum won akwa bi na video bi wakase otumfo de etuzo na sorry yakase bibi ye muntama nenum sa na nenum tie muntam waji hundreds and hundreds of acres waji krata wa hia eni ho ena okuja talk back ablakwa ka chense wan kase wo Afenyo a wotuwe koko tua woto ye ka omo mu wiansa ase wo Ghana wo Afenyo Markins you need to prove to Ghanaians say, sa efutu asase na wunya ye na eya aban asase no. Sa asase no eye emra kwan na wudi nya ye na obi ani Ghana o se otumi fa aban asase over 50 years. Inte ye dan na wo Afenyo Markins. Utumi fa efutu asase hundreds and hundreds of acres for 199 years. 99 years. The na ekwo so ndene say okuya tabla kwa kacha Afenyo oral ya John Mahama ti ni nyina ne say omo wia aman saase ene aboye kro no ye be chi omu nyina na momo krampo no krata akutam ye kire say efutufo no winiba ho no omo saase ni nyina no wafa koti kwan so agi efiri omu nsem ye ka say watokra ya mistake efiri say krata bi eni wa kire say waton saase no momenti Afenyo Markins response we eya Afenyo yan hwe say obegya tum say asase no wafa 99 years na ekwan ben of so etu asase ne ka momien kotie 8 minutes. Let's listen.
The land in cantonment, you are telling us that some people have been paying 42,000 whatever you call it. Well, have you been able to find out from the Lands Commission whether they have a standard pricing regime for lands that they sell to the public? Have you found out?
Honorable Minority Leader, if you can expatiate your question. Standard regime, how?
So, to enable one to determine whether a land is being sold at a very low price or a high price, one must pay attention to valuation. So the entity in question, whether it has set its own pricing ceiling, so you pay grounds rent, the actual lease, so and if so, per acre or per plot, how is that determined? I just want to know from you whether as part of your work you've been able to find out from the Lands Commission whether state lands that they sell, they have their own standard pricing for it.
What I've discovered in the course of my work is that it varies depending on the area. So cantonment varies, range varies. I'm even looking into your own acquisition in Winneba. I have the document here. It also varies. So it varies all over. I have documents from Tamale as well, which vary. So I don't think there's a standard rate. It varies depending on the place.
Honorable nominee, because you have brought me in, I'm able to find out from you about my properties in Winneba that you know. I want you to share with the public.
This specific one is a lease between you and the government of Ghana on 22nd March 2023. The name Alexander Afenyo Markins for 99 years. This is in Winneba. Yeah, so the official Lands Commission document. Yeah.
Honourable Member, did you say 99 years?
Yes, 99.
Because I know as a fact that government land, the lease will not go beyond 50 years. By law.
If I can read verbatim, and this is signed by Justice A. Asanguna, Principal Lands Officer in Winneba, and the official search certificate indicates that the search applied for against the land edged red on the plan attached has been made with the following results. 1, the site is not a state land but vested by virtue of LI 206 dated 21st November 1961. 2, the site also is covered by a lease dated 22nd March 2023 between the government of Ghana on one part and Alexander Afenyo Markins on the other part for a term of 99 years. So that is what the search certificate states.
Honorable nominee, just by way of public information, because you provided the airline, now I'll give you a background to Winneba and Gomwa. Winneba and Gomwa have had a long period of land disputes. It went all the way to the Gold Coast Supreme Court. So the entire Winneba land, Kwame Nkrumah, just to bring peace between the people of Winneba and the people of Gomwa, came up with this executive instrument. There are 2 instruments. So in Winneba, every land is vested. All the villages and the Gomwa enclave as well. So I'm happy that you read. The states. Yes. Oh, come on. But the person read, Roxanne, we are doing a serious exercise. I mean, if you guys want us to go the path of partisan politics, we would go there. No. I have been very gentle and respectful. Chairman, you need to talk to your... We have a lot of things to do. I've been calm, quiet, gentle, respectful. They've been doing, I've been keeping quiet. Please, I have patience, but not to a point that a man cannot tolerate. So, Honorable nominee, I am happy that sitting there, you've gone digging me, and I'm happy that you brought it here. That Winneba, I want to provide information. Winneba and Gomwa enclave, the chiefs, their lands were all annexed, and they are vested lands. So I'm happy that you read it. And even when the Asafo companies, the Asafo own that area called Ponkwechi, that's Dentifo Asafo, and the Twafo also own the Komfo-Addo Kojobedu areas. And some chiefs own their land. But because of the Kwame Nkrumah EI, even if you buy from the chief, and the chief gives you an indenture, you can't register at Lands Commission because of that EI. So everybody in Winneba would have to go and register through a lease with the state. So I'm happy you brought it up, and then I've just explained to you.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone abeto yepuno so Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe now feel so or like video and give us a thumbs up now feel share ma of Frosona when you be here now who and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memo hanum also betimi otchere wadwen afa eye some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.